Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about how to connect EC2 instance using PuTTY. Few prerequisites are there. One security group need, one EC2 instance need, one PEM file or PPK file need. If PEM file is there, by using PuTTY, we need to convert PPK file. We are using directly PPK file, no need to convert into any format. Directly we can use PuTTY. If this file is there, we need to use PuTTY. So first we can download and install the PuTTY. Here, open Chrome browser, magnet, type PuTTY download. Click. This is the official website www.putty.org. Click. Here, this is the download. So anyway, choose your based on your operating system. Mine is Windows 64-bit. So I am choosing this one, MSI. So it is started downloading. Once download is done, go to put this file location. So go to file location. Right click. Show more options. You can cut this file. Cut. Go to D drive. I am installing all softwares in D drive. I will also recommend you to install every software in D drive only. Create new folder, PuTTY. Give the name PuTTY. So open this file, this folder, open. Control V. So right click. Show more options. Install. It will appear one box. Next. Change to D. I am installing every software in D. I am recommend you to install D only. If you are only C drive, you can install them. Same time. Install. So it is installation is start. Please wait while the setup wizard install. So wait some time. It will appear one pop-up. Say yes. So installation finished. Close this readme file. So close. Here two files are there. Verify. PuTTY. By using PuTTY, we are converting .pem file to .ppk file. If ppk file is there, by using PuTTY, we can directly use connecting. So we need to create one security group, one EC2 instance, right? So go to first, suppose you can search here EC2, enter. Scroll down, we need to create one security group. Here, network and security. These are the security groups. So create new security group. Scroll up, give one name to this group. So I am giving S1. I am also create same S1 instance. S1. PPC I am not changing, same default one. Inbound roles I am adding. Here, all TCP. All TCP I am giving. All TCP. Here, all are zeros. IP address anywhere IPv4. Same outbound rules also we are given. Inbound rules same as outbound rules. So all TCP. Yeah, anywhere IPv4. So create security group. Security group is successfully created. Then go to EC2 dashboard. Launch instance. Give the name. So same like S1. And scroll down. Line X, Y as default one I am choosing. This is also mission one, same mission I am choosing, default one. I'm not changing anything. Instance type micro, T2.micro, I'm not changing. I'm creating one PEM file. For that, I'm giving name here S1, create new, keep it here, PEM.PEM is there, .ppk is there. If you are downloaded PPK, we need to use directly, or if you are downloading PEM, we need to convert it into PPK. If you are using if you are downloaded .PEM, we need to convert PPK. If you are downloaded .ppk, no need to convert. So first I will say .ppk, create keypair. So keypair name we need to give here S1, create keypair. So it is created. Keypair created. Here security, we need to provide security group. We have created S1, right? Go to that, select that one. If you want to change storage, change. If you want to change number of instances, you can change it. One is sufficient for me. So I am launching instance. Click this one. Once it is here started, when you want this is changed to running. So we can convert .compile to .ppk. Then we can connect to EC2 instance. Refresh here. You are running. We need this public IP address, copy, post, search for the PuTTY. We need to convert. So after that, load, downloads. Here you can select all files. S1 PEM is there, right? Open. Okay. Save as, save private key. Yes, you can give name S1. So S1. Save. Close. Now we have .ppk file. So open PuTTY. So now this time open PuTTY. Here select this public IP. This public IP address. Give it here. Control V. Next. Here SSH. After that auth. Here auth. Credentials. So private key. Browse. Go to downloads here. Check this is the PPK file. PPK is abbreviation. PuTTY private key. Here PPK. Open. So accept. Login as. Check username. Suppose connect. Here IP address, username. EC2 user. So EC2-user. Yeah, successfully connected into Linux machine. To install Java, then you can use command sudo yam install. Suppose I want to install Java hyphen. Suppose I want to install 17. So enter. Here it will ask. You can say yes. Yes, installation is successfully done. You can type Java hyphen version, then you will get version. So this way too we can connect PuTTY to EC2 instance, and we can install softwares by using sudo yam. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.